Okay, let's talk about our weather on what has just been a really gorgeous weekend, Kendall.
Yeah.
And we're getting pretty lucky because that weather is going to continue into the week, right?
Yeah, the first half of the work week not going to be too bad either. And even when we do start to warm things up and add that humidity back into the region, I really don't think it's going to be unbearable by any means here. Just a little bit more typical compared to what we usually see in the month of August. Past few days have felt like an early preview of September with our weather. Live look outside over in downtown Indianapolis. Beautiful view with our camera on top of the Indiana State Museum, showing off those partly cloudy skies. Temperatures overall have been a lot cooler than average today, only rising into the upper 70s for most locations. 73 degrees over in Muncie. We're at 75 in Kokomo and Lafayette, and 76 degrees for our current temperature over in Bloomington. We weren't just cooler, but we were also a lot more comfortable across the region as well. Our dew point temperatures have trended significantly cooler compared to where we were 24 hours ago. That humidity essentially has been wiped away with dew points in the mid to upper 50s. It feels incredibly refreshing across the region. That's going to be even more so the case as we move into early Monday morning. Satellite and radar showing off a few thin high-level clouds, kind of just decorating the sky here in central Indiana. This quiet weather pattern set to continue thanks to these two areas of high pressure that we are kind of just sandwiched in between. And because of that, we have had some relatively strong winds out of the northwest throughout the day. It did kick up a couple of isolated lake effect sprinkles off in the northeastern corner of the state. Currently, everyone is dry, and it's going to remain that way for the next several hours here. We are going to decrease the cloud cover overnight tonight, looking at mostly clear skies, maybe a few isolated patches of fog as we move into early Monday morning. Not expecting anything to be too dense or too widespread to impact your Monday morning commute. After that isolated fog lifts, it is going to be a really nice day. Mostly sunny, partly cloudy conditions in the forecast, but yet again, even with that sunshine, we are still going to be below average. Highs only rising into the upper 70s. Will be a little bit warmer as this area of high pressure slides just slightly off to the east by Tuesday. Closer to 80 degrees for a high by then. Still lots of sunshine expected. Our next rain chance is set to arrive mainly as we move into Wednesday evening. There's going to be a weak disturbance making its way through the region. Most of that rain going to occur overnight Wednesday into the day on Thursday. Outside of that, it does look like next weekend on Sunday, there is going to be a better chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms, maybe a few locally heavy downpours that we'll have to keep an eye on by then. I want to talk about what's going to happen as we move into the first few days in the month of September, because it does look like our weather is going to start to get a little bit more active by then, trending above normal in terms of our rainfall chances in the Midwest, specifically here in Indiana as well. It's not only going to be a little bit more of an active weather pattern, it is going to be trending warmer as well. We are going to be above normal in terms of our temperatures through at least August 29th through September 2nd, not just here in Indiana, but fairly widespread across the United States. Not going to be the case anytime soon, however. We're down to 57 degrees overnight tonight. I do think some areas to the north in the northern third of the state could even fall down into the mid to low 50s as we move into early tomorrow morning. For our Monday, we'll top out near 79 degrees. Very light breeze coming out of the northwest. We're up to 81 for that high temperature on Tuesday. Indians kicking off another home stand by then. And then we're cranking up the humidity just in time for that next rain chance. Again, set to arrive Wednesday evening. We'll start to decrease the chance for those rain showers as we go throughout our Thursday, even though we look to be dry and still fairly close to average Friday and Saturday in the mid to low 80s. Humidity still going to be lingering across the region. We'll keep an eye on the chance for those scattered showers and thunderstorms as we move into this same time next weekend as well.